Hi. Greenfield, next to the airport. Seatbelt, please.
You have a blade?
A what?
Blade or knife?
No.
If you get in an accident, those things get stuck.
I've got a scissors case.
Where they are, just in case.
Right next to me. No, it's...
So I'm going to be able to reach it at least. Because I don't trust the seatbelts.
Oh. It's either A, you put them on, or B, walk. It yells at me for if you wear your seatbelt or not, so... Highly recommend to wear the seatbelt. If you do not wear it, right there is what telling me that you don't have, that you're riding at your own risk at otherwise. I highly, extremely highly put that seatbelt on or walk.
Where you see it on the bottom, it's already in there.
Okay. No, don't worry about it. If you get stuck, I'll get you undone. All right.
What if you get life?
Don't worry about it. It's
my life.
Well, it's also my car.
It's nothing. It's my life.
The seatbelts are really reliable. Unless we get in an accident, I prefer you have that on.
But that's what it is for.
Okay.
So in an accident, driver dies, and I stuck.
Well, there's a lot of people who can help you get out of that seatbelt if it gets stuck.
I'm assuming you agree with everything that you hear on the TV, right, Josh?
Okay, seatbelt on, or I'm going to kick you out.
Seatbelt already on.
Yeah. Okay.
Drop you back.
Okay, so drop it, please.
Yeah. It just, check it. The seatbelt is on the seat. Right here. I'm assuming you also got vaccinated a couple times, right?
What?
You got vaccinated a couple times.
Okay, I'm not going to discuss vaccinations, what I have and have not have, all right?